Revise, Test, Succeed. Torcia's Revision and Test Session 2025 is here.
Why settle for average when you can be extraordinary? Your board exams are your gateway to a brighter future. Let's ace them together.
Torcia's winning formula. Complete your syllabus, revision designed for your success.
Extensive testing, chapter-wise, half-book and full-book evaluation.
Federal Board students, SLO-based worksheets just for you. Skill to excel. Time and subject management.
Master exam patterns and tackle every question with confidence.
Boost your scores with exclusive tips and tricks.
Be inspired. Motivational lectures that prepare you to conquer every challenge.
Rewarding excellence. Achieve higher grades and unlock merit scholarships.
New feature. Federal Board students can now prepare for practical-based assessments with specialized classes and worksheets.
Kickstart your success. Session starts
From January 1st, 2025, designed for 9th, 10th, first year and second year students of Federal and Rawalpindi boards.
Torcia Education System, where excellence is a habit. Enroll today and take the first step towards greatness.